Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by choosing high-yield material, one atlas page per region, and a 3D app for rotation. Set a 50-minute timer and close tabs that distract you. This creates focused learning windows. Once done, label structures aloud while tracing with your finger on the screen or printout. This ties visual, motor, and audio memory. Make sure to write one concise note after each block summarizing 3 takeaways. That active recall anchors what you just learned and prevents passive scrolling. Now transition into active practice. Alternate 20-minute focused study with 5-10 rapid self-tests to force retrieval. You should draw the region from memory, then check and correct mistakes. Drawing strengthens spatial connections. Once confident, explain the anatomy aloud as if teaching a peer. This reveals gaps and solidifies sequence memory. Make sure to link form to function, for example, how joint shape dictates movement. That causal framing helps long-term retention and reduces rote memorization. Finish with a cumulative 30-minute recall session where you reproduce labeled diagrams and recite major functions. Time yourself to encourage efficiency. Then condense everything onto one page of mnemonics, landmarks, and critical measurements for quick review later. If you find specific areas blurry, simplify by mapping 3 anchor landmarks in that region and rebuild connections outward. This troubleshooting shortcut prevents overwhelm and gives a clear path back to mastery. Repeat the minicycle until your recall is smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.